Welcome to Beacon International. In this video, we'll show you how to use our handy My Saved Baskets feature. First, let's head to the shop and add some items to our basket, just like a typical order. We've added a few PPE and RPE items to our basket. Now, let's proceed to the checkout. On the checkout page, you'll see the option to save your basket. However, you'll first need to be logged in to your My Account. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your account details to continue. Once logged in and back on the checkout page, click the Save Basket button. Give your basket a relevant name so you can easily identify it later. You have the option to email this saved basket, but for now, we'll uncheck that and click Save Basket. This basket has now been saved to your account. Let's go to your My Account dashboard. Here on your dashboard, click on My Saved Baskets. You can now see the basket you just saved listed here with the name you gave it. From here, you can choose to email basket if you need to share it. The Convert to Basket option is really useful. If your current basket is empty, clicking this will instantly add all the items from your saved basket back into your active basket with just one click, allowing you to quickly pick up where you left off. Finally, to delete a saved basket, simply click the cross icon next to it, and it will be removed from your list. The My Saved Baskets feature offers a convenient way to manage your potential orders, allowing you to save them for later or share them with your team. Start using it today.